Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Beatrice, and today I'm super excited to take you on a tour of this beautiful 2-bedroom apartment in Tennessee. Now let's get right into it. First of all, let's just check out this exterior. I absolutely love how cozy and inviting this house looks from the outside. I think it has like a charming vibe, and the porch area is actually good for relaxing, if you ever want some fresh air. So now let's get right into the video. So this is what it looks like when you're looking at the front door from inside the house. I love the little bit of decor, just by that side, and the table and the books there. I really love the person that lives in this house. I love her decoration and everything. I just love how inviting this house is. I think the living area is really superb. And there we have the TV and the TV stand. And you've got the plant in the corner over there. Oh, I think I should mention that this house was rented unfurnished, so most of the furnitures were bought when the person who rented it moved into the house. And I absolutely love the art piece on the wall. It's like so beautiful. You've got the couch and you've got like this really white rug that just gives the room, I don't know, it does something to the room. I can't wait to have my own unfurnished house and perfectly furnish it to the way I want. I love that other art piece on the wall, the one with the woman and the flowers around it. So this is the living area. It's good. There is no separate dining area in this house, but I think it's not too bad. And here we've got the fridge. So there's the fridge and there's the refrigerator part. I have to say though, I don't know if you call me like Arauco, which means like a bush person, but I absolutely love this part of the refrigerator where you get like cubes and you get like ice and very cold water. Like, that is absolutely nice, I'm telling you. And you've just got a lot of cupboards in the kitchen for storage and stuff. So I think this is good for one person, or even if it were two people who were living in this house, or maybe even a family. I feel like there are lots of cupboards and storage in this house. So down here you've got the dishwasher and more cupboards, more storage and stuff. Yeah, you've got the sink. I do appreciate the fact that they've managed to make space for 2 sinks, even though they're a bit small, but at least it's 2 sinks. I don't know, most of the houses in the UK always have 1 sink, and I'm always like, why do they have 1 sink? I like 2 sinks, one to wash and one to rinse. And you've got more cupboards. That's the microwave on top. And that is the cooker. It's an electric cooker, and that's the oven that comes with the cooker. There is more storage. By the way, yes, my cousin stays in this house and she's allowed me to film or give a tour of this bedroom, so thanks to her. Shout out to Mufe. So this is the laundry room. I like the fact that in the US, most houses have a separate laundry room. So that's the washing machine and the dryer, and then they would put like all their laundry stuff in that room. Because in the UK, what I have found is that most times you find the laundry or the washing machine and the dryer in the kitchen. You would find houses that do have separate laundry rooms, but it's not uncommon to find the washing machine and the dryer in the kitchen. Anyway, that's the laundry room. It's not so big, but I guess it's okay. I appreciate the fact that it's separate from the kitchen and stuff like that. This is the bathroom. It's quite big actually. So you've got the mirror there, of course, with the lighting. Just lovely. And then you've got the sink to do your stuff, and you've got a little bit of bathroom storage in those cupboards, so you could keep like your stuff in there. and you've got a toilet, of course. And that is the shower itself. So you've got the shower in there, and you've got the shower curtain, which I really appreciate. I like the fact that, I like bathrooms that have bathtubs but allow you to be able to put a shower curtain. Not all those things we have in the UK where there is like glass, and then the glass have just like parts. They just allow you to cover like part of the shower and not the full shower. I mean, not all houses in the UK have that, but you tend to find it a bit common. And you've got like a little bit of, extra bathroom storage. I don't know what you guys call this because I'm sure you don't call this the pantry. So I'm just getting like some extra bathroom storage so you could store, stuff. And this is one of the bedrooms. So this bedroom has been turned into a workstation. So like a workstation from home kind of situation going on here. But I think even if this were to be a bedroom, this can definitely work. It's quite big, and but this is a workstation. So there's nothing much going on in this bedroom, apart from the fact that it's a workstation. But I think like this is still okay for a bedroom. A bed would definitely, like a double bed, will be able to stay in this bedroom. So you've got the wardrobe over there. There is no separate walk-in closet, but I guess it's okay. I appreciate the fact that they've turned the sliding doors into mirrors, so at least it's huge enough to be able to check yourself out. And as you can see, the wardrobe is big enough to be able to contain your clothes actually, but it's not like a separate walk-in closet. So I guess that's just the downside to this house. So we're going into the master bedroom. So in the master bedroom, you've got the double bed, you've got a lamp standing there, you've got two bedside tables by the side, and you've got a bit of hanger situation going on there. And then you've got another wardrobe in here. And I like the fact that they've turned the sliding doors of the wardrobe into mirrors. Again, there is no walk-in closet in this bedroom either, but I think the wardrobe is large enough to be able to contain your clothes if you like use the space wisely. So when it comes to the cost of this apartment costs about $1,000 every month for rent. I'm not sure how much it costs in bills, but when it comes to rent, it costs $1,000 every month for rent. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. It has one toilet, which contains the bathtub and the shower. It has a living room area, which is very spacious, and then it has the kitchen area. Tell me, do you think it's worth $1,000 when it comes to rent? Is this a place you would like to live in, or you think, it's okay, but I like more luxury? Anyway, let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.